Hey, good morning to A. Welcome back to another lesson of Core Math. Today we'll be going over Module 5, Lesson 17, with yours truly, Mr. Andrews, working from home just like you. And today happens to be June 1st, 2020, which is International Dinosaur Day. So let's take it back to the prehistoric era, and let's see if we can work hard and get some special guests to show up to check out all your amazing effort. Okay, so our learning target for today is to understand that great mathematicians solve three-digit addition and subtraction problems using a strategy that makes sense to them. So, before we get into our problems today, let's do a quick review on comparison. Can you tell me if the numbers are less than, greater than, or equal to the other? So, first one, 45 is blank than 54. All right, nice job. 45 is less than 54. Looking at the tens place, 40 is less than 50. Always start with that bigger place value. Let's do a few more. 451 is blank than 461. Got it. 451 is less than 461. They got the same value in the hundreds place, but 50 is less than 60. 300 is blank than 299. See, I tried to trick you there. 300 is greater than 299. Again, look at the hundreds place. 300 is more than 200. Doesn't matter that there's nines in the tens in ones place. Okay, I'll start at the hundreds place. All right, 879 is blank than 979. Yeah, it is less than 979. Again, looking at the hundreds place, 800 is less than 900. Okay, let's make it a bit trickier now. 457 is blank than 400 plus 50 plus 7. Yeah, see, I got some expanded form in there. What is it? Oh, nice job. Yeah, that's equal. 400 plus 50 plus 7 is equal to 457. Nice job. Okay, what about this one? 132 is blank than 100 ones and 2 tens. Nice job. That is greater than 100 hunds and 2 tens, which would be 123. Yeah, try to trick you there. All right, what about 7 tens and 8 ones is blank than 7 plus 80? All right, there's no tricking you guys this morning. Yeah, 7 tens and 8 ones would be 78. That is less than 7 plus 80, which is 87. Still trying to trick you guys up. And lastly, 500 plus 90 plus 2 is blank than 529. Yeah, so it's greater than 592 is greater than 529. Nice job. All right. For that great work, let's get a visit from our friend T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex is known as the king of the tyrants, but fun fact, T-Rex was not the largest meat-eating dinosaur. That title belongs to the Spinosaurus. Though Spinosaurus was mostly known for living in water and eating fish. Fun facts. All right, so let's get into our couple problems today. So we're talking about the fact that our strategy, or we're going to use a strategy that makes sense to us. So today we're going to look at when we have big friendly numbers that are kind of trickier. So our criteria for success, always picking a strategy, regrouping when needed, and always submitting our work in standard form. So our first problem is 800 minus 329. All right, that's pretty tricky. I know that's going to take a bit of work. So my instinct here, I'm going to use flat sticks and dots. I'm going to use pictures to help me break this down because I feel like I'm going to have to do some serious regrouping. All right, so as always, I label my HTO chart. All right, so 800, how would I represent that in hundreds, tens, and ones? Right? Draw 800. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 800s. So now I'm going to take away 329. And what place value do we start out with when we are subtracting? Yeah, so we start in the ones place. I don't have anything in the ones place. So that means I definitely have to regroup. Okay, so I have to take away from the 10th place. Wait a minute, I don't have anything in the 10th place either. So that means I have to regroup all the way from the 100th place into the 10th place, into the 1st place. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to take one of my hundreds, and I'm going to break that over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 100 is equal to 10 tenths. So then I'm going to take 110 and regroup that over. And how many ones will I draw? Yeah, 10 ones. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I have something that I can subtract. All right, so now I can go ahead and take away 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm left with how many ones? Yeah, I'm left with just 1. Alright, so now I can then move over to the 10th place. I'm taking away 2 tens. 1, 2. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, I'd already moved over one of those tens into the ones place. And lastly, now I just take away 3 of the hundreds, and I'm left with 4 hundreds there. So what is my final answer? 800 minus 329 equals, you got it, 471. All right, so that was pretty tricky. Had to do a lot of grouping, but you guys did a great job. So, oh yeah, we had to regroup. That's all right. And we get ourselves a visit from the Stegosaurus. Now, scientists believe those plates on its back were used for protection, and they may have been used for protection, but they also now think they actually helped keep the animal cool in hot climates by letting air through. Interesting, huh? All right, let's do one more problem. Again, it's about using a strategy that makes sense. So I just did one with flash sticks and dots. I think I got the hang of this. So again, similar problem. I see 500 minus 184. I know there's going to be some regrouping in there. But let's use expanded form to see how this could look this time around. All right, how would I write 500 in expanded form? You got it, yeah. 500 plus 0 plus 0, because there's nothing in the tens in one place. 184, 100 plus 80 plus 4. All right, so now we got to start taking away. 0 minus 4. Can I do that? No, which means I'm going to have to do what? Regroup, exactly. So 0 minus 4, can't do that. I'm going to have to regroup in the tens place. Wait, 0 minus 80, can't do that. Got to regroup again. So again, I'm going over back to the hundreds place. So I'm going to leave 400 up there. I'll bring 100 over here. But I'm also going to leave 90 here so I can bring 10 over into the ones place. All right, so now 10 minus 4. 4 plus 6 is 10, so 10 minus 4 is 6. 90 minus 80, well, 9 minus 8 is 1, so it's going to leave me with 10. And 400 minus 100. 4 minus 1 is 3, so that's going to be 300. All right, so 300 plus 10 plus 6 equals what? All right, 316. Nice job, second graders. All right, so look out for a lot of regrouping today. And check out this the Velociraptor from Jurassic World. Even though they are actually incredibly inaccurate, reality is that velociraptors were much smaller and covered in feathers. All right, so to recap, guys, make sure you pick a strategy that makes sense, show your work, regroup when needed, starting in the ones place, and submit your work in standard form. You guys are going to do a great job today, and Mr. Argentinosaurus thinks so too, one of the largest dinosaurs ever. So thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you all later this week. Good luck.